I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me awake. I would rather be here, lonely in space.
Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? I just made $40 in 25 minutes, so I figured I'd make a video for y'all. I wasn't planning on making a video, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to spread the knowledge. Knowledge is power. Work smart, not hard. Alright, so today we're covering the best times to work for Shipt. I'm gonna tell you the best times to look for the best orders. Right now it's Friday night. Alright, so the best times to work for Shipt is definitely 8 to 11 at night. That's when all the shoppers get tired, head home. That's when people make their orders last minute. Not a lot of other shoppers to compete with. So you could wait for the promo pay. I took 2 promo pay orders, $15 each, $14, 14 items total. Both customers were about 1 mile away from the store. So I got to the store 10:15, messaged the customers. I'm going to show you both orders as I go through them. I shot for both orders. Took me like 15 minutes to get all 14 items. So I messaged both customers, let them know everything was in stock. Heading to checkout. I checked out, bagged up the items, headed to the customer, dropped it off. I got all the proof here, all the timestamps. I'm going to show you the drop off photos, all the income. Right after I dropped off the second order, I got a $10 tip, which brought it from $30 to $40 for 25 minutes of work. If you want to make money like that, you gotta go when nobody else is going. When everybody getting drunk, partying, doing their thing, whatever, trying to spend time with their crush or whatever. You know what I'm crushing on? Crushing on Benjamin Franklin. Crushing on that money, you know? Real talk. My girl's car is in the shop, so gotta make some extra money. So I'm doing what it do, you know? Outside of 8 to 11, 7 to 11, nighttime, you wanna work first thing in the morning before anyone else is up. So like 6 to 8. If you're an early bird, you want to get up at 6. And you want to have that Shipt app open. You want to have yourself on the schedule. That's when they start sending out orders. So you want to be up and get your day scheduled early before everyone else even wake up. Get them orders in early so your day is already somewhat planned. So the best times to work for Shipt, you're going to want to do 6 to 10 o'clock in the morning, and then you're going to want to do 7 to 11 o'clock at night. That's when you're going to get the best orders, less competition with other shoppers. You could get the promo pay. If you got some bonuses for the day, you could line up some orders. Normally I get like $20 for 4 orders, so I try to line up 2 or 4 orders in the morning when I'm awake. I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule. So yeah, just a little quick one to spread the knowledge. Hope everybody doing good. It's getting late, but I'm about to look for another order. But this is just to cover Shipt. So thank you for watching. Go get that money. After you watch a few more videos, of course. And you like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Shout out to all the hustlers out there. Everybody that keep it real, you know?
I wanna
Let's
be
get it.
weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing.